Will is symbolically connected with our habits, our uh, strengths to overcome a particular challenge, how we do our work, delaying gratification, and overcoming procrastination or inertia. It comes through different names like karma yoga, sadhana practices. But those are the outside elements. What to me personally is a will means is the inner impulse to act on our thought, the thought coming from a very deep space within, which wants us to do a particular work. It wants us to do something else for that day. It could be something simple like I want to switch off the fan, or I want to go read a particular book, or uh, visit somebody, call somebody. Many times we don't follow through on those thoughts. We resist because our body is going through those lazy moments, and in a way, the body has hijacked our inner impulses. It has started to give all sorts of reasons to share through a story. Would be, let's say you're reading a book, and towards the end you got another 2 chapters, 3 chapters to go, and you hear a noise somewhere outside. You probably know what it is. It is probably some plastic wrapper or a bottle which is making that noise because you had left it yesterday, and you want to get up and stop that rackety noise. And your body is telling just one more chapter to go, and you can finish this book and then get up and go. And you say, okay, let me finish this book and go. Again it starts coming. Now you start negotiating with your body. Okay, go and take out that bottle and stop the noise. Body say, okay, finish off this page, and then you go. So if you observe ourselves, our body is not even listening to our order anymore. It has taken over completely. It is not listening to us. We can make whatever plans we want to make. Go shopping, I want to buy all these things. I need to make this report, I need to send this, I have to call up somebody, I have to write a article somewhere, I need to um, prepare for some workshop or something. And we keep coming up with different excuses. So this is the bodily excuses, and once we learn how to overcome them, we would have learned to have will strength. So will strength is needed in our daily lives, because without will strength, we won't be able to do anything. Will is symbolic, like it begins with our first breath and ends with our last breath. So what it means is there is will in everything. Anywhere there is effort involved, there is will involved. So effort could be through bodily actions, could be through our feelings or expressing, and will is also required for our thoughts. To organize and plan also requires will. So by strengthening our will, we would have helped to overcome procrastination. There are many tools and techniques available. We ourselves conduct camps for adults and children, but through these camps we try to strengthen them to overcome those procrastination challenges for themselves. And if everybody works, then they can be more purposeful and driven in their daily lives too.